Hey everybody, Brittany here, aka Teeth and Tendrils. Now, if you are an OG member of the TNT Fam, hey boo, I missed you. And if you're new, welcome, so glad to have you here. All you gotta do to be a member of the TNT Fam is subscribe to this channel. I mean, you're already here and I'm cool and fun and I have dope hair and all that good stuff. And make sure that you follow me on social media at Teeth and Tendrils. Got it? Got it. Y'all, it is a new year and from me to you, a whole new week of videos. And I'm just crazy excited about this one right here. I have finally reviewed the Main Choice Do It Fro the Culture. Now, I got the Magnificent Miracle Mask in the Bold Buttery Gel. First of all, look at this packaging. Like, Wakanda forever. I'm just so hype about this. I can't even wait anymore. Let's just get right into it. So we're starting with the Magnificent Miracle Mask, and girl, it is thick, but also very creamy too. It's got a faint chocolatey smell, and I am just super duper impressed with how it moisturized my hair. It just melted into my strands. You can see how easily my fingers and the 3-strand comb run through my hair. Easy detangling. Now we're going to move on to the Bold Buttery Gel, which is just like it sounds. It's got tack or a sticky factor like a gel, which gives it hold, but it's also very smooth like melted butter. And you can see that it's pretty runny. Same chocolate smell, definitely not overpowering, which is a plus. Child, the slip, honey. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a 3-strand twist out. You've seen me do it before, but I'll break it down again for you. So I'm taking the strand that's closest to the back, moving it to the front, and then I'm moving the other two backwards, which means the middle strand now becomes the back strand, and the front strand now becomes the middle strand. And repeat, back all the way to the front, move it down the line. Back all the way to the front, move it down the line. Trust me, y'all, this definitely gets easier with practice. I'm going to link another video of a 3-strand twist out too, so you can see more of my technique. Now I'm twisting my ends around my finger for a little extra curl, and we are all set. See y'all in the morning. One thing I have been doing lately is using the banding method to stretch my hair. All I do is tie a hair tie from the roots to the ends in a couple of ponytails, and I leave it in for about an hour before I decide to take down my twist. Per usual, I'm taking my time when taking down my twists, so I have oil on my hands and I am just stretching each section and parting the hair where it naturally wants to part, as well as coiling it around my finger in the same direction that it was initially twisted in. Massage out any parts in your scalp, pick and fluff to your liking, and you are set. Oh child, she's cute! And there you have it. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this was my first Main Choice experience, and Main Choice, Courtney, honey, she did not disappoint, okay? I am very impressed with both of these products, so much so that I definitely want to go back and get the leave-in conditioner from this line to pair with the Bold Buttery Gel. But y'all, definition on fleek, shine on fleek, it's moving, it's bouncing. This is a winner, and I'm so glad that, I went out on a limb and bought this. Definitely will be repurchasing both of these products. Definitely highly recommend them. 2 thumbs up. I'm just geeked, y'all. Look at my hair. This is day 1 hair, and I've got matte definition, but I've also got a lot of body and a lot of volume. Yeah, it's a win-win for me. Have y'all tried the Do It Fro the Culture line? Have you tried any of the other Main Choice lines? Let me know which Main Choice products I should try next, because y'all, I'm on a Main Choice roll. The girl is lit. She's ready, okay? She's ready to try more Main Choice. So comment down below. I'm about to, just take some pictures and send them out and see who's gonna text me back or whatever. Anyway, thumbs up for me. Over and out. I will see y'all next time. Bye.